Jaren, huge shout out to you. You asked for facial yoga and I was like, that's a good idea. Let me do this. Hi JoyGeeks, I'm Aparna Ganesh and together we explore beauty and wellness on this channel. I've been doing videos on how you can take care of your skin naturally. If you haven't seen that, I will link that below. I just recently also did my skincare favorites. While all of those things work, there is something very important that you can do to keep your face looking firm and absolutely beautiful if you can just do some facial yoga. I'm going to share some exercises with you that you can do anywhere at any point. These exercises will relax your facial muscle, increase the circulation around your face, make it more supple, and your elasticity is maintained better. Obviously, all your wrinkles and your face lines and your fine lines on the forehead, everything will get delayed and lessened if you do this regularly. No matter what creams we use, our age is going to catch up at some point and we will slowly lose our elasticity, and there is nothing to be sad about it. I'm turning 40 next year and I'm thrilled about it. We've just got to do what we can and age gracefully. The idea is not to look young forever. I think that's a bizarre concept. The idea is to just do the best that you can with the natural gift of skin that you have. These exercises will just take you about 5 odd minutes every day, and it's very easy to do, most importantly. You may look a little crazy when you're doing it, but that's really okay. So if you're ready, let's go. Stay relaxed and do not hunch your shoulders up like that. Keep your shoulders relaxed and sit comfortably. Let's begin. Move the tip of your tongue at the back of your lips, starting from the upper lip, moving in a circular fashion all the way to the lower lip. And then moving the tip of your tongue towards your right cheek and making circular motions just in the right cheek. Similarly, I will take my tongue to the left side of my cheek and make circular motions. This stimulates the nerves inside the mouth. I'm basically running the tip of my tongue all through the insides of my mouth. Next, I'm going to inhale and pout my lips and move my mouth from right side to the left, then left to the right, and I'm going to do this about 4 to 5 times. This strengthens and tightens the facial muscles. Keep your lips closed and jut out your chin and lower jaw and move them in and out slowly, inhaling as you push your chin out and exhaling as you bring your chin in. Then move the jaw from side to side for about 4 to 5 times. Open your mouth as wide as you can and move your lower jaw in and out slowly from one side to another for about 4 to 5 times. This is a magical workout that's going to make you feel lighter and uplifted. Doesn't matter how you look when you do this. Now, move your eyebrows up and down 4 to 5 times, looking upwards with your eyes as you do so. Clench your mouth and smile fully, simultaneously widening your eyes. Relax your mouth and repeat the practice 5 times. Inhaling, pout your lips and extend them. Open your mouth as you exhale. Repeat this practice of pouting and opening your mouth 4 to 5 times. Turn your head to the right, jut out your chin and inhaling, look up. While exhaling, straighten your head, continuing to face right, and repeat the practice 10 times. And then simply repeat this on the left side. It's so beautiful how this aids in slowing down the aging process by simply releasing the tension and relaxing the upper part of our body. It also relieves us of stiff necks and headaches, and it's quite therapeutic actually, this practice. If you're young and you can start it right away, that would be lovely. Even if somebody is like me who is just starting at almost 40, I think it's great news for us because it will also help us in many ways. So no matter what your age is, this set of exercises will definitely boost your confidence, will make you feel lovely inside out. Your whole face gets an uplift. You don't need those surgeries and you don't need those artificial injections when you do this exercise. So please do it. It's free, it's easy, it just takes you 5 minutes. Go ahead and do this every day. I value my subscribers tremendously. When you let me know that you want a video of this sort, I really make it a point to work on it and get that to you. So please keep that coming. I want your video requests. Isn't it lovely for all of us to rise together and help each other in our own journeys? So if you found this video helpful, please do share it with your friends. Let them benefit too. I'm very blessed to have received so much valuable guidance and information and practices from the Yoga Institute since I was a child. Yoga Institute is in Santacruz, Mumbai, and I highly recommend for all of you to visit that place at least once. I will place a link of their website in the description box along with the link to a series called Yoga and You that I'm hosting with Hansaji, and she's the director of the Yoga Institute and a complete delight to talk to. So it's my honor and privilege. I'd love for all my subscribers to follow them also on their YouTube channel, which is the Yoga Institute, and really get amazing, valuable tips to enhance your life to the fullest. My social media handles are hanging around on the screen. Stay connected. I'm really looking forward to hear from you on Instagram as well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Save.